Welcome students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy in your home. So today we will learn one more chapter of social study. The name of the chapter is the coastal plains and island. So do you know what does the word coastal means? Coastal means area which is near to water bodies. Okay. And island means the land which is surrounded by water on all sides. So today we will read about the geographical distribution of the coastal plain, the states located in the western and the eastern coastal plains, and the life in the coastal plains and islands. Okay, so now let's start. Western coastal plain. Western coastal plains are situated on a thin strip of land and lie nestled between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat. Okay. They extend from the state of Gujarat up to the southern state of Kerala. The western coastal plains have many rivers and backwaters which are unique to this region, means which are rare and found in this region. Now they can be divided into three parts. So what are the three parts? Gujarat coast in the north, Konkan coast in the middle up to Goa, Malabar coast in the south. The states which lie in this region are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Now we will discuss each of them in details. Okay, so the first state about which we will discuss is Gujarat. So Gujarat is located in northwest India and the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Rivers which are present here are Sabarmati, Tapi and Narmada, and the language spoken here is Gujarati. Okay. Now regarding traditional dress. So men wear dhoti, churidar, short jackets called angrakhas and turbans, and women wear sari, lehenga and chole. Now regarding music and dance. So Garba and Ras are well-known dance form of Gujarat. Now festivals. So the main festival is Navratri. Okay. Now regarding occupation. So here trading and farming are the main occupation of the people. And the main crops that are grown here are jowar, bajra, groundnut, sugarcane, etc. Okay. There are also many major industries like textile, petroleum, salt, khadi, handloom, fertilizer, diamond cutting and dairy farming. Regarding tourism. So some of the famous tourist destinations are Gir Forest, Lothal, Dholavira and Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati Ashram. So these are some of the famous tourist destinations. Okay, now the important cities. The main cities of this state are Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara and Rajkot. Okay, so this is all about Gujarat.
The next state about which we will discuss is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is located on the Konkan coast in western India, and the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Rivers which are present here are Godavari and Krishna. Okay, and the main language spoken here is Marathi. Now regarding the traditional dress. So men wear dhoti kurta, pajama kurta and Gandhian cap, and women wear a 9-eared sari. Now some of the popular folk dances are Lavani and Tamasha. Okay, the most important festival of this state is Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, now regarding occupation. So people work mainly in trading and farming, and the main crops that are grown here are cotton, mango, groundnut, jowar, bajra, sugarcane, grapes, etc. Okay, the major industries are film industry, petroleum, Bombay High, diamond and finance and textile. Okay, so these are some of the major industries. Now regarding tourism. So some popular tourist spots are Elephanta Caves, Gateway of India and Hanging Gardens. The major cities of this state include Pune, Nasik, Nagpur, Aurangabad, Kolhapur and Solapur. Okay, so this is all about Maharashtra. The next state about which we will discuss is Goa. Remember, it is the smallest state. Okay, so Goa is located on the Konkan coast between Maharashtra and Karnataka, and the capital of Goa is Panaji. Okay, rivers which are present here are Zuari and Mandovi, and the languages spoken here are English, Konkani, Portuguese and Marathi. Now regarding traditional dress. So here men wear colorful shirts teamed up with half pants and a bamboo hat.
Okay, and women wear 9-yard sari known as Navwari. Some of the well-known dance forms of the state are Talgari, Gof, Tonyamel and Mando. Okay, now regarding festivals, so here people celebrate Christmas and the Gaon Carnival. Okay, now regarding occupation, the main occupation of the state is fishing and farming. Okay, and the main crops that are grown here are cashew, mango, rice and coconut. The major industries of Goa include iron ore mining, electronics, chemicals, software, automobile accessories and pharmaceuticals. So these are some of the major industries. Okay, now regarding tourism. So we all know that Goa is a very famous tourist destination, right? Okay. So Saint Xavier Church, Fort Aguada and beaches like Baga, Donapala, Anjuna and Candolim etc. are popular tourist destination of Goa. Main cities of the state are Mapusa, Old Goa, Margao etc. Okay, so this is all about Goa. Now the next state about which we will discuss is Karnataka. So Karnataka is located on the western coast and it is surrounded by Maharashtra and Goa in the north, Kerala in the west, Andhra Pradesh in the east and Tamil Nadu in the south. And the capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Okay. Now rivers which are present here are Krishna, Kaveri and Tungabhadra. And the main language spoken here is Kannada. Okay. Now regarding traditional dress. So here men wear lungi and shirt and women wear sari. Now regarding dance and music. So Yakshagana is a popular folk entertainment of Karnataka. The main festival of this state are Dashera, Ugadi and Shivratri. Okay. Now regarding occupations. So people mainly work in farming, trading and corporate offices. And some of the main crops that are grown here are tea, coffee, cotton, sugarcane, spices. Okay. Some of the major industries of the state are aeroplane manufacturing, forestry, software, watches, gold mining, electronics, etc. Now regarding tourism, ancient temples such as Holeshwara, Sri Chennakeshava and Sri Ranganatha temple are present here. And waterfalls such as Jog, Abhay and Gokak are very famous. Now, the main tourist spots are the ruins of Hampi, wildlife sanctuaries and national parks such as Anshi, Attiveri, Bhadra, Magadhi and Godavari. Okay. Now, some of the main cities of Karnataka are Mysore, Hubli, Dharwad, Mangalore and Bellary. And some of the important ports are New Mangalore, Malpi and Padubidri. Okay, so this is all about Karnataka. Okay, so the next state about which we will discuss is Kerala. So Kerala is located in the western coastal plain to the south of Karnataka and the capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, the rivers and lakes. So Periyar Lake, Vemanand Lake, Periyar rivers and backwaters of Kerala. Now language. So the main language is Malayalam. Here men wear mundu and shirt and women wear sari, mundu, blouse and long skirts. Now regarding dance forms. So Mohiniyattam and Kathakali are the famous classical dance form of Kerala. Okay. Now the main festivals celebrated here are Onam, Ramzan and Diwali. Okay. Now regarding occupation. So agriculture, fishing, trade, business, banking and tourism provide jobs to the people. And the main crops that are grown here are spices, coconut, rubber, cocoa, cashew and rice. Okay. Now regarding tourism. So the popular tourist destination are Neyyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary and Kovalam Beach. Now important cities. So some of the main cities of the state include Palakkad, Kollam, Ernakulam, Wayanad and Kottayam. And some of the important ports are Kochi, Vizag and Nindakara. Okay, so this is all about Kerala. So in this video we have learned regarding the western coastal plain and the state which lie in this region. Okay, so in the next video we will learn the rest part of this chapter. Okay, so please go through both the videos. Thank you.